DhGate Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel, period. Like I said, I'm coming back to back with the vids, period. Make sure y'all please give this video a thumbs up, please subscribe, thank you. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a mini DhGate haul. I've been collecting these for a minute. I have not did the video yet. Like, I don't know what's going on with me. Like, I fell out of a funk. I actually ordered all this stuff just to do a DhGate haul with you guys. I used to do these all the time. I stopped doing them because of, I don't even know why. But yeah, y'all, so all the stuff will be linked in the description box below. Hopefully it's still up. Y'all know how DhGate is. Sometimes it's there, one day it's there and one day it's not, period. You gotta get it when you can. Next DhGate haul, I'm probably gonna do the dunks, cause baby, who finna pay $500 for some 85 to 110 shoes on StockX and they don't even be real? Be f***ing for real, huh? I'm not about to get scammed, so I'd rather wear blah 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 than be getting scammed on StockX paying $400-500 and I'm getting. It's not the math ain't mathing. How do y'all even come with that price? Is it because of the supply and the demand, or what? Y'all know everybody want them. What is it? Be geek for real, okay? So let's get into this video without further ado. So I feel like I'm going to go to smallest to biggest. I know some of the packaging is not what it's supposed to give. It's not correct. I know these things already. I've done my research and all that good stuff. Half of this stuff I have not worn yet in public. I have not worn at all. But when I only wore one or two of the purses in public, and you couldn't tell the difference, and I don't even care. It's a lot of people out here saying, oh, I would never wear dupes, I would never go to DhGate. Honey, save your coin. You could be making, you can make enough to afford a designer bag, but that don't mean you have to go, you know what I'm saying? It's a mental thing. I have bought something designer before. I'm not saying that I would never buy something designer again, but the chances are very slim since I got me a plug on DhGate, period. And the quality is immaculate. It's not like them raggedy rinky-dink purses that y'all see over here on the tube, alright? Alright. So the first thing we're going to unbox is this Chanel wallet. I know the packaging is not exactly correct, but hey, you'll see the dust on it. It's been in my drawer. I have not even wore this yet. Like, I haven't even wore this yet. So it comes in this little black case or whatever. All of the packaging is pretty much the same. So this is the Chanel. So when you first open it, this is how it looks. Of course, y'all know how the bags on DhGate look. So it doesn't come with anything else. Doesn't come with no tag or anything like that. It just comes in this little pouch thingy. So I'm going to pull it out for you guys. Ta-da! Okay, so first glance, it looks really cheap. I'm not even gonna hold you. It looks really cheap, and the gold on the side is looking cheap. The gold zipper, the gold lettering is looking very much cheap. I don't even know how much I paid for this. I probably paid like $20 for this, but I do not like it. That's probably why I haven't worn it. Okay, so we're gonna open it up real quick, and see, it has the nerve to have the double C on the little thing. I didn't even notice that. It's kind of heavy though. I like that. So when you first glance, you open it up, this is how it looks, like a regular wallet. Let me see, does it have any Chanel on the inside? Nope, it does not have a label on the inside. I feel like they just slapped this together and they just put a CC on it, and I don't even think the CC is even centered or crooked or whatever. Anyway, let's go on to the next, because I'm highly disappointed in myself. And the quality of it is giving, like, you know, one of them jackets like that's leather but not leather and it starts to peel. That's what this gives right here. I might give this away. I really don't even too much care for this. That's probably why it's sitting in the drawer. I don't even understand why I bought this, but this is a no for me. This is a 10 out of 10, wouldn't recommend right here. Okay, I'm still gonna put the link in the description box below, but it's up to you. It's up to you, your discretion, if you want to order it. Okay, so I might be doing a giveaway for this because I really do not want it. Like, that just made me mad, big mad. Okay, so the next we have this Gucci purse. I forgot what box it came in. Did it come in a box? Child, I forgot. I don't even know if I threw the box away or what did I do with the box. So it comes with this little bag right here. This is one of my favorites. I actually like this purse really, really much. I actually like this purse real bad. Or whatever. So we're going to take it out. Bling, bling, bling. Bitches is mad. Let me stop. So this is what it looks like first glance. The quality, I feel like it is okay. It's great. It doesn't have any like loose strings or anything like that. It looks halfway legit. It looks halfway legit. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't really care to wear stuff to be legit. I really wear stuff because I like it. And I can make anything work. I can rock anything, boo. Fake, real, to cat, dog. I can make anything look good, period. So you got this little button at the bottom, so you push it and you open it up. So I have wore this purse before. I already knew that, but so first glance on the inside, it does have like this leather Gucci label right here, and it has like a little pocket. This purse is really not that big for too much anything. It's like basically for a night out, and if you want to just take your phone or something like that, you can't really fit too much in here. But I love this purse. I only wore it like maybe once or twice. I will be wearing it again, and I don't know what I gotta say, y'all. So the next two purses are YSL purses, period. I'm gonna start with the smallest ones first. And then the last one I think I want to do is my fave. Oh my gosh, I rock the hell out this purse, okay? I'll rock it till the reels fall off. So this is the box that it came in. I know it's not the correct box. I know the lettering is not correct. I'm not going to keep saying it. Don't come for me, okay? So we're going to open it up. First glance, this is the little bag that it comes in. I'm going to take it out really, really quickly. I have not wore this one yet. It comes with all of this stuff right here. Oh, I hope y'all can see. It comes with all of this like receipts and stuff like that. Let me look at the receipts, y'all. Oh, like they got a real life receipt in there, y'all. It's a YSL and everything. So this is the little bag and everything. So this is how the purse looks right here. I like it. I have yet to wear this purse yet. The quality I feel like is great, but it's like some small things that you can notice about the purse that like you could tell, like, you know what I'm saying, the difference between the real one and this one. If you know the difference, comment down below. I'm going to see if y'all know the difference. So it does have YSL Saint Laurent not embroidered, imprinted on the inside. Jesus. All right, so we're gonna open it up. I have not worn this purse yet, y'all, so it's real clean. So when you open it up, it says YSL right here, it says YSL right there, and it has like a YSL like patch on the inside. I like it. It's branding, period. It has zippers galore. So this is what the inside looks like. Zipper here, zipper there. It's plenty of room like for like an everyday bag, but I wouldn't wear this every day because I don't want nobody to think I'm cashy and sit here and try to snatch my purse. So yeah, so this is what this purse looks like. This is actually the one I have not wore yet. I'm actually probably gonna start wearing it because it's real cute. I really like it. Like, this is the one. This is actually one of the ones I wanted in real life. I was gonna make that purchase, but I was just like, that's gonna be real irresponsible of me. Every time I think about really like buying some real designer, I be like, girl, that's real irresponsible of you. I was gonna do it too. I was just like, oh, I want this this LV bag. It's another LV bag that I really want, that I had my eye on it for a minute. But my boyfriend at the time was like, nah, you don't need to spend $1,000 on a bag. And I was just like, okay. Priorities first, I guess. Okay, so last but not least, another YSL purse. Y'all know I guess I was in my YSL phase, I guess. So here is the next one. I wear this to the ground. Every time I go out to the club, I wear it to the ground. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up or whatever. So it comes in this little dust bag, and it also comes with these receipts and things of that nature. We don't need those because who we showing receipts to, boo? Mind your business. All right, so it's a little flat because I took the paper out a long time ago, but this is the purse right here. I really love it. Like, this is the best quality purse I have bought from DhGate this time. It also has like the YSL on the inside of the straps. On the inside, it's very spacious. It has one zipper on the inside. It doesn't have like no cubbies or anything like that. It has a zipper and it has like the YSL tag on the inside. I really love this purse, y'all. Like, I will rock it to death. And the quality of it is really great. It's real soft. It's not hard. As y'all can see, it looks real or whatever. So I'll wear this one to the ground, honey. Like, if I'm going to the club or something, I'll wear it to the ground. Period, no tampon. So yeah, y'all, that is it for today's haul. I hope you guys liked it. I know this was like kind of like a semi-short video, but I will be doing more DhGate items. I'm going to be trying to get some dunks next and some more clothes. Well, I don't want to do no clothes. I don't want to do no clothes yet. I'm gonna get some more. I'm gonna get some shoes and I'm gonna get some more purses to review for you guys. All the links will be in the description box below if I can find them, and if they are up, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye.